Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of dental care with a review of what many consider to be the best in its class. The Phillips Sonicare Genuine W DiamondClean Toothbrush Heads. The Phillips Sonicare DiamondClean Toothbrush Heads are designed for superior whitening. Clinically proven to remove up to 100% more stains in just 7 days compared to manual toothbrushes. They feature densely packed, soft bristles that not only remove surface stains effectively but also provide gentle care for your gums. Superior whitening, clinically proven effectiveness in stain removal. Unlike generic alternatives, these are tested for performance and safety. Soft bristles that protect your gums while cleaning effectively. Up to 7 times more plaque removal compared to manual brushing. Brush head replacement reminder. Built-in indicator for timely replacement. These brush heads are part of the Phillips Sonicare click-on system, ensuring compatibility with a range of Sonicare electric toothbrush handles, including models like Healthy White, DiamondClean, FlexCare, and Easy Clean. If you're wondering why you should choose the DiamondClean brush heads over others, it's all about the combination of superior whitening power, gentle yet effective cleaning action, and the assurance of using genuine Phillips Sonicare parts. To sum it up, if you're looking to elevate your oral hygiene routine with a brush head that not only delivers on its promises but exceeds expectations, the Phillips Sonicare Genuine W DiamondClean Toothbrush Heads are an excellent choice. They combine advanced cleaning technology with gentle care, ensuring a brighter smile and healthier gums. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Also, let us know in the comments your experience with Phillips Sonicare DiamondClean or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.